Sandra here from CREATEINSPAIN. I have in front of me a piece of acetate. I have found a slightly different use for it than is normal. I have a piece of wood and I have an image which was printed on a laser printer on the acetate. Now if you have a colour laser printer, this will work exactly the same, only you'll be able to print images in colour. I can't. And so this is going to be transferred to the wood. Now you may have heard that there's lots of difficulty in doing this, but there actually isn't, not in this particular case, and it's really easy to do. So I have here some acrylic medium. Now this one came from Lidl and I don't actually have much of it left, but I'm going to put some of that over my wood. Now, if I wanted it to be really nice and smooth, I would brush this on. I'm just demonstrating, and I prefer not to put acrylic medium in my brushes if I can help it. One of the easiest ways of applying the acrylic medium is to use one of these flat sponges, and it's really simple to do it with one of these. So if you use this, just make sure to wash it out as soon as you finish, because otherwise the acrylic will harden in it. You want to put this face down onto your medium. Now you can use whatever medium you like. Oops, would help if I kept it still. It doesn't make any difference if it's an artist grade medium, if it's a cheapy one, you should be able to get the same result. This one I think cost about $4.99 in a packet of various mediums, so it was not expensive. Now bearing in mind the effect you'll get will depend on the type of medium you're using. If you're using a gloss medium, then you are going to be effectively putting a gloss on it. If you use a matte one, then you're not. There we go. That's it, pretty much done. The only thing I have to do is to leave this to dry. I can imagine a lot of you sitting there thinking, but does it work with an inkjet? Please, pretty please. No, it doesn't. I'm sorry, it is a different type of ink. If you try doing this with inkjet, you'll just end up with a mess. The difference between a laser printer and an inkjet is that inkjet uses inks, and laser printers use a kind of powdered plastic that melts when they're heated, and that's how it actually prints. So effectively you are putting a layer of plastic on top of another layer of plastic, and you're getting a glue to remove that design from the plastic that you've printed it on. Okay, so I've left this for, I don't know, must be about 40 minutes, something like that. So now is the moment of truth, and we get to find out what the result is. And there we have it, a perfectly transferred design. There's a bit of a gap here in my varnish, but there again, if I was going to varnish over the top of it, that really wouldn't be a problem. So that's another use for your acetate or your overhead projector film that you may not have considered. And it's quite a fun thing to be able to do without having to buy a lot of extra supplies. If you just want to play around and just have a bit of fun with it, you don't have to go buy a load more stuff in order to do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.